MAST Family.
I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada, and we're your student news anchors at MAST on Monday mornings. This week, our guest anchor is Mr. G.
How you doing, MAST family?
Remember, all prize winners from school-wide meetings will be picked right after our announcements. And all prize winners must pick up the prize by the end of the day,
or you will forfeit your winnings.
To me.
Wow.
Congratulations to the winners Isaiah, Akeem, and Darren for winning MAST Monday meeting prizes.
Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign into the bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings link. It's Teacher Appreciation Week here at MAST. We want to shout out all of the wonderful teachers here who go above and beyond for our scholars and for each other.
This week, we will also select special days to honor our supporting staff, including office staff, school aides, guidance counselors, community associates, and parent coordinators. Birthday shout-outs! Remember to use the link for the birthday shout-outs so we can celebrate you. On May the 4th, we have
Eric R.
On May the 10th, we have
Amir J. and Latoya O.
And on May the 12th, we have
Kaylon B. This is the final day for marking period 2. Marking period 3 begins tomorrow, May 9th, and ends on June 13th.
You got this. Principal for a Day is on its way. On Wednesday, May 10th,
Dr. Jairo Borja
will be the principal of MAST for the day. He will visit classrooms, tour the school, and meet students in the student panel, as well as give the opportunity to learn about their organization and career pathways. Go Panthers!
The annual staff versus student competition will now take place on Friday, May 12th, 2023. See Mr. Mazzoli for more information.
Alright, MAST Field Day, which is sponsored by the NHS, will take place on Friday, June 9th. Right? MAST House Battles will commence then. Who will take the trophy this year? House of Love, Equity, Perseverance, or Legacy?
Decision Day is when MAST celebrates all seniors in the class of 2023 who will share the college or university that they will attend in fall of 2023. This will take place on Friday, May 12th, right before our annual Staff vs. Students game. Look out for the AP exam schedules on Instagram for more information.
On May 11th, MAST will host MS 147 prospective middle school students. Thank you to all of the upperclassmen who signed up to host our middle school visitors. We still need 3 more volunteers, so please see PCY or Miss Felipe to sign up.
On Friday, May 20th, MAST wants to wish the scholars in the Young Debaters Club the best of luck for their debate tournament at St. John's University. All participants, please make sure you are on time for prep sessions every Thursday at 8:30 a.m. with Mr. Celestin. Due to Memorial Day on May 29th, school will be closed and classes will resume on Tuesday, May 30th, 2023.
The NHS induction ceremony will be held on Tuesday, May 30th at 6 p.m. Please be on the lookout for invitations during your 3rd period class this week. MAST Empowerment Day is on Wednesday, May 24th, 2023. Be on the lookout for more information. The theme is The Gems in the Journey. On Friday, June 2nd, 2023, the Latinos Unidos Club is going on an excursion to Sabor Latino restaurant. Students must dress semi-formal attire, as well as a minimum of $35 for lunch.
On Wednesday, June 9, 2023, students will go on an excursion to Sabor Latino. This excursion is for those in Spanish Period 1 and Spanish Period 3 with Mrs. Morales.
ENL ELA Regents Prep is every Friday at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207.
Aha Broadway, be reminded that rehearsal dates are Wednesday only from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the auditorium.
Are you interested in auditioning to be our school mascot? Sign up using the link bit.ly/MAST mascot spring 2023. Check your Google Classroom for the link. Your first job will be to perform at our Staff vs. Students game on May 12th that we are winning. All right, and good luck to whoever signs up. Water Safety Day is on Monday, May 15th, in which some of our MAST lifeguards and junior lifeguards will present precautionary measures when it comes to water safety. This training program meets on Wednesdays and Thursdays from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
The NHS Community Service AIDS Walk is on May 21st, 2023 from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Students will perform community service and help set up the AIDS Walk venue. See Mr. Mazzoli, the NHS advisor, for more information and or permission slip form.
Do you need help with geometry? Geo tutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Ishra in room 214 at 3:15 p.m.
Regents Prep for Chemistry resumes on Saturdays with Miss Algardine from now until the Regents.
Basketball Club meets every weekday, Monday through Friday from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G. Go Knicks!
Remember to check out our Instagram page for dates for PSAL games.
You can be the next guest anchor in MAST Monday morning announcements. If you are interested in volunteering to be the next guest anchor, sign up using the bit.ly/guest anchor link. We also have a few events coming up, so please save the date. A. We have Senior Social on June 2nd. B. Senior Prom on June 7th. And C. The graduation ceremony on June 23rd at 4:30 p.m. at St. John's University.
Thank you for watching our Mass Weekly News. See you next week.